I know what I want to do in my life.
So you could
This is what you asked me, like, what?
That was me asking you.
Oh. I want to be a full-time drug dealer in Las Vegas.
Y yo la sigo enamorando y regalando, todo te comprando. Lo que usted mamita quiere. Ahora no estamos alejando, no te estoy viendo, lo estoy apolando. Esta sola tú prefieres. Ven y dame un chance.
Yo, what's up, guys? We're here. Gonna go buy. We just bought some new tires for the Mamalona. Better pay right now. And we're gonna show you the end results. And we got some clips.
I'm riding through New York, finna go and shoot New Jersey up. Tryna take my chain, I ain't going. We gon' come and blow New Jersey up. You want something? Hurry up. Try to rob, bitch, we 30'd up. Just like volcanoes, bitch, I'm curried up. Cheese in my pockets, velvet up. I'm a gorilla in a fucking coop. Finna pull up in the zoo, nigga. Oh, nigga, who the fuck is you? I don't know, nigga. No, nigga, pull up on your block. We gon' blow, nigga. Go, nigga. Run, nigga. Run for the pole, nigga. Hey, gas what I smoke, nigga. Feds in my dojo.
Got it right here. Calm look, 2 back tires. We burning the shit out of all of them. There's the GT500 right there. And you got the big Rex. And then you got the fucking low shitting gap 1, 2, 3. Yo, chat. We here at Walmart. We're here going to buy some oil and an oil filter for my truck because that motherfucker is burning. We'll catch you at the oil section. Oh shit, real quick. Oh shit. So we got the 5W30 motor oil, high mileage, full synthetic. Yank that motherfucker right here. And then we also need an oil filter. I hope my card isn't gone. But we got the. Let me pull up what ChatGPT had to say because I did forget whatever. Oh, I actually at the bottom. The Wix 51040. Where the hell at? Hold on. You know what, guys? We're gonna cut it right here, and I'll call you whenever we get the fucking filter. Oh shit! Oh, all right. So we got the M1 101A oil filter right here, and let's catch at the register. Are we at the cash register? Type shit. I am gonna pay, so I don't want you to steal my credit card information. So fuck you. We did buy. We don't steal around here. My fault. Steph Fix here, doing the first time oil change. I definitely know what I'm doing.
He does not know what he's doing.
Fuck up, mate. Alright.
Let me see. Should not be all the way back there.
I'm gonna spin back on the front. Oh, my exhaust. Ooh, the bitches are hot.
It's near the filter, right?
This one.
Let it leak a little bit and then have it. And
Step Fix here. Make a cool little oil change real quick. That shit.
You know, it should be coming out.
Why is this the wrong bolt? You think the oil's hot?
Oh, you just used it?
Yeah.
Oh, it might be a little hot, but not like really. How long? How many? How long have you been driving it for?
It's been like 2 hours.
Dude, the oil's gonna be hot.
I mean, it's at 40 degrees.
Wait, can you check?
The truck, yeah.
Oh, I can't open it. Spin it. There you go.
Where's the boat? Where's the boat?
Get it.
Ah!
There it is. It's not that dirty. You can tell.
Yes, sir. Steph Fix here. Just draining some oil. Like a Billy Badass.
But I'm the one who helps him.
And then I gotta do
No. Let it drain all the way completely first, and then you take the filter off.
that. Looks like my piss whenever I finish pissing. Like, it goes, ah! That motherfucker walk. That motherfucker hot.
Told you. And then
Ah, fuck. Wait. Which way do I go? Left, right? Left, right.
Huh?
Left, right.
Yeah, lefty
So-
loosey, righty tighty.
Ah! There's a hole in the glove. Ah! Steph Fix here. I actually did this. Oh, fuck. Fuck me. I'm 1,000 miles over. We have just done an oil change. You know. And then we're gonna put the oil in the whip. Sorry.
That's how you fucking.
Hey, bro, you need a palo or something to hold it up? I got a palo, right? Oh, you meant that palo. It's the palo. Eso,
Dicen que los que presumen mucho
son otros.
no tienen más que.
That's oil. Yeah, that's definitely oil. All right. Where's the oil?
Súbete en el. ¿Estás seguro que es ahí?
Yeah.
¿Cómo sabes?
I just know. Robert, look at my skin. Fuck. Where did we put the oil last time? Bro, what, that shit don't work?
So you sure you know what you're doing?
Yeah, for sure.
Changing the oil on my Chevy
Oh,
Silverado.
Oh, so it's right there. It's right there. All right. We'll get back to you.
Muy, muy bien.
Putting in the
Yeah,
the
no,
oil.
this is
Why'd my light turn off?
Bro, you're spilling it.
Bro, I can't see. Someone turn off my light.
What's all the light?
Why'd the light shut off? Pause. I'll be back at it though. It's gonna smell like burnt oil like again, like last time.
Cuidado que se llene.
I just spilled like maybe a pint.
No, porque no te fijas, Esteban.
And then just let it run for 15 seconds, then check it.
¿Se va todo?
Yeah. Then this one like takes like, I don't know.
Esa es la carga de tigres que se usa para estas viejas.
Yeah, there's so many different ones.
Pero preguntas ahí para.
Yeah, did you check this is the right one?
No, wait. I asked ChatGPT, bro.
Oh yeah, you can do that too.
¿Ya le tapaste bien?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, no, keep it open. You gotta let it run. Come on, let it run for a little bit. Come on. Like 15 seconds. pa' allá, me voy pa' allá, me dice ven pa' acá. Check it, clean it, and then put it back in. Clean it real quick. And then put it back. Did you smack yourself? Just put it in, just take it out. And then, see how it's different now? That's perfect. It's a little bit
¿Es donde debe de
organized.
estar ahorita más?
No. If anything, that's
O
the
sea,
max. So yeah, no. If
Se
anything,
pasó un poquito.
yeah, it's okay if you have a little bit more.
Porque en lo que se calienta se va a distribuir, ¿verdad?
Yeah, if you have too little, that'll be bad. Very good. But Steph fits here, and we just completed the oil change.